How to crop stickers in CapCut PC. So if you want to crop stickers in your CapCut PC, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your CapCut and you need to go with the sticker section, which is on the upper left. And you need to just go with your sticker, any sticker that you are comfortable with. So I'll just simply go with this sticker right here. You can download it and you can drag and drop to the bottom. Once you've added the sticker, as you can see that you don't have a crop option right here. So in order to crop the sticker, what you need to do is right click on the sticker and you will have create compound clip option. Click on create compound clip and it will create a clip, a video clip. So once it's created a video clip, now what you can do is just simply drag and drop that clip to the bottom. And once you've dragged it, now you will have the crop option. So you just need to simply go with the crop, and from here you can resize it, adjust it wherever you like or however you like, and that's it. Now you can go confirm and your sticker has been cropped, or you can also crop it like this. That's how you can crop your stickers. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.